control over your business could not be easier. Our Retail Insight solution, powered by Microsoft Power BI, can give you a prompt overview of your sales and inventory productivity by using real-time data from multiple source systems. The easy-to-read layout of the dashboard offers users the chance to swiftly understand their business and rapidly take required actions. A strong element built into this solution is the advanced analytics capability to forecast sales and demand for better inventory optimization. The dashboards that have been built into the Retail's Insight are there to give you every bit of intelligence about your business you could want, right there and then. Due to the instant data updates, you can quickly see the performance of either your BDMs or the products that you sell. This can be filtered down between certain dates, monthly overview, day of the week, day of the month, and even by the hour. Whether you are a sales manager or in any other relevant role, having access to this information is vital in seeing where performance is excelling and what areas are underperforming, whether that be for commodity, staff, or even by store. One of the many convenient benefits about using Retail Insight solution is that you can access this anywhere, on any device, including your mobile phone. Get your own business information displayed in this dashboards by heading to our website www.agile-analytics.com.au.